Social support, it can help to minimize your stress by staying connected with family and friends to maintain emotional support. Practice relaxation technique like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind to minimize your stress. Stay organized. It can help to minimize your stress by keep essential document, clothing, and items organized, easily accessible. Stay hydrated. It can help to minimize your stress by drinking plenty of water through your journey to avoid dehydration. Healthy snacks. It can help to minimize your stress by pack healthy snacks to maintain energy levels and avoid relying on unhealthy foods. Sleep. It can help to minimize your stress by prioritize sleep before and during travel to minimize fatigue.